In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Shopify store with AI. We will be using the built-in AI writing tool inside Shopify to help create or improve a product description. This is a useful way to make your store look more polished, save time, and create product pages that are easier for customers to understand. You will still be able to review and edit everything before it goes live, so you stay in control of the final result. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Use your usual Shopify login method, and make sure you are inside the correct store before continuing. Once you are on the main admin dashboard, take a moment to look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the main areas of your store, including orders, customers, products, and settings. Next, navigate to Products. This section contains all of the products currently added to your Shopify store. Click Products from the left side menu and wait for the product list to load. If your store has many items, you may need to scroll or use the search option to find the product you want to update. Now click on the product you want to edit. This will open the product details page where you can manage the product title, images, pricing, inventory, variants, and description. For this tutorial, we are focusing on the product description because that is where Shopify's AI text generation tool can help you create clearer and more engaging content for shoppers. Once the product page is open, locate the description box. This is usually near the top of the product details page, below the product title area. The description box is where customers will see information about the item, such as what it is, what it does, how it can be used, and what makes it valuable. A strong description can help customers feel more confident before making a purchase. Inside the description box, look at the toolbar. You should see a Generate Text icon, which looks like a magic wand. Click the magic wand icon to open Shopify's AI writing feature. This tool allows you to give Shopify a prompt, and then it generates text based on the details you provide. Now enter a prompt that describes your product. Include the most important details, such as the product type, key features, benefits, materials, style, or any specific selling points. You can also mention the tone you want the description to have. For example, you may want it to sound professional, fun, simple, modern, or luxurious. The clearer your prompt is, the better the generated description will usually be. After you have entered your prompt, click Generate. Shopify will use the information you provided to create a product description for you. This may take a moment, so wait for the generated text to appear. The result should give you a starting point that you can use directly or adjust to better match your brand. Once the text appears, review it carefully. Make sure the description is accurate, easy to read, and appropriate for your product. Check that the AI did not include anything incorrect or exaggerated. If you like the description, click Keep to apply it to your product description. If it is not quite right, click Try again to generate another version. You can repeat this until you get text that feels closer to what you want. After applying the generated description, make any final manual edits. This is your chance to adjust the wording, remove anything unnecessary, add missing product details, or make the tone match your store more closely. Even when AI gives you a strong first draft, a quick review helps make the final description more accurate and more personal to your brand. When everything looks good, click Save. This will update the product page with the new description. Once saved, your product description is ready to appear on your Shopify store, helping customers better understand what you are offering. That covers everything you need to know.